Damn. That was a lot of setting spray. Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome to my channel. Now today we are going to be doing basically a get ready with me. I'm trying to do like a 5-minute because I gotta go to work this morning and it's raining outside, so I really don't want to do too much to my face this morning. So we're gonna try to do like probably like a 5 minutes or 10 minutes, just depending on how many steps I want to add into my makeup routine this morning. So first and foremost, I already did my brows and did my skincare routine off camera. So first step that we're going to go in, we're going to be using the Sheen Birthday Skin Primer. And I really love this primer right here. But I use this primer, my makeup lasts like all day. I'm not even kidding you. Like, this primer is good, and I got it off the Sheen app for about $6, and it works better than like most of my high-end primers. Like, this primer works so good. So if you guys haven't tried this primer out, go ahead and pick this primer up. This is the Sheen Birthday Skin Primer, and I got it for $6 off of Sheen. So go check that out. You will be in love with this primer. Like, this primer is like everything. I think I'm going to use my Ease Drops today, and this is in the color 20, and this is a really good Ease Drops right here. So when you have kids and you trying to get them ready for in the morning and all they want to do is fight, like yelling, so you guys gonna hear like a bunch of yelling in the background because my kids is getting ready for school.
Mommy, why did you guys get on with me?
Okay. My daughter mad because I told her to change her outfit, you know, so you're going to hear like a lot of screaming in the background. So disclaimer, I'm letting you guys know y'all going to hear a lot of screaming in the background because that's all my kids do is fight in the morning when they got to get up for school. And I don't understand why they be fighting. You know, they siblings, but like, why you mad? You know, you say you want to go to school, you excited, but you fighting with your brothers and sisters. So for my color correcting concealer, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox, and this is in the shade Dark Warm. Sometimes I'll still use like a orange color corrector concealer, and then I do use the Milani Supercharged brightening eye tint, but that's every now and then when I use this one. And then sometimes I use this one, just depends on when I want to do like a full glam makeup look. For my brightening concealer, I am going to be using the Fit Me Maybelline concealer, and this is in the color 50. What I like to do, I like to just pop it like right here, right here.
Do I have to wear my ugly sweater, or I don't have to?
You don't want to wear it?
No.
My lip first, when I go ahead and blend out my concealer, and then I'll do my forehead because it gives my under eyes a little bit of time to sit before I go in and blend it out, and then do my nose. And then after I do that, I'll go in and blend out the edges of it.
Mommy, it not fit. Help me.
What doesn't fit, son?
Huh?
It doesn't fit.
Yeah, it's not working.
What's not working, son? Stop crying. So the two setting powders that I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty to highlight my under eye area, and this is in the shade Kanafa. So I'm going to be using this one to brighten my under eye area, and then I'm going to be using the Fit Me Maybelline Loose Powder in the color 35 and Deep. I'm going to be using this one to set the rest of my face for my foundation. And I really do like this setting powder because I always recommend this setting powder to people when I go to work. Because they always like want to, especially with girls that have oily skin, they always come in, they be like, oh, what's your skin type? But once I tell them that I have oily skin, they always want to be interested in the products that I use. And I showed this product to one girl, and she came back and told me that she fell in love with this product because the Huda Beauty setting powder is like a really, really good setting powder. People be sleeping on the setting powder, and then it did end up going viral on TikTok. You know, TikTok is kind of strange because I feel like they take old makeup hacks and then try to use it as they self, but like, boo, we've been doing these makeup hacks for a long time before you even came around. So yeah, so I'll be like, girl, I was doing that like 3 years ago. That ain't new. It's new to you, but it ain't new to me. Like, girl, gone somewhere, you know. So I'm going with my Fit Me setting powder, and this setting powder look like it'll be like a little bit too dark, but when I put it on my face, it's like the perfect match for me. I'll just sweep it all over to my face like this. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place bronzer, and this is in the color dark. So 9 times out of 10, I like to go back and forth between these two shades, but the one that I really dip in would be this one. So this one's like a really natural, and then this one's like when you want to go like really deep and glam it up, I use this one. But sometimes I'll just mix both of them, but today I'm just going to be using the top one right here. And then I always want to start like right here, just blend it out. And every time I start in the one to go like really like a natural look, I always gotta like add extra steps in my routine. I don't know why, but I do need I love a good bronzer. Like, I really do.
Grwm.
I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place bronzer, and this is in volume 1. And the shade that I love is this orange shade right here. So this is the one that I'm going to go in and be using today. And I'm going to be using my e.l.f. blush brush, and I'm just going to place it right here. I'm so happy to be sitting back down and making makeup videos for you guys, because like I was missing it so much. But like, I was being lazy because I don't want to put in the work. But like I said, I wanted everything just to drop in my damn lap. But I got to start putting in the work. And I'm happy, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to do TikTok, but TikTok is too damn complicated. They want you to post 3 times a day just to, I'll stick to my YouTube. I will stick to my YouTube because I be tripping over there on TikTok. What I'm going to be using today is my favorite mascara, and this is by Rare Beauty. And this is her newest mascara, and I really love this mascara. So this is the mascara. It's either this one or my Sephora Size Up mascara. These 2 mascaras I will use when I'm not wearing falsies, because these get my eyelashes really long. And the serum that I've been using to make my eyelashes grow is the Grande Lash serum. I've been using this serum, and this serum has really helped my eyelashes to grow. And you can also find this at Sephora or Ulta. So I'm just gonna place this. Like, I love this mascara, but I have really been on like the more natural kind of like makeup tutorials. So I'm going to be using my favorite eyeliner pencil. This is going to be the Cake Pencil by Kat Von D. And I use this waterliner like every day because it doesn't run, doesn't smear, and doesn't do anything. Sorry if I do this look when I do my eyeliner, but I gotta make a face. And then I'm going to be setting my face with the Benefit Pore Professional setting spray. And this is like my favorite setting spray at the moment. Like, I love this setting spray. People don't like it, but I like the setting spray. Damn. That was a lot of setting spray. Okay. Because I like my face to be set. So I'm all done with my makeup look. I was gonna curl my hair today, but since it's raining, I just went ahead and did my baby hairs and slicked my hair back in a bun, you know, so just something simple, but you know, still cute at the same time. So for my, because I just want to do lip gloss today. So for lip gloss, I'm going to be doing the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color Brownie Drip. So that's what I'm going to be doing for my lip gloss today. Just something simple, you know. And I really love NYX butter glosses because they're very creamy and they're not sticky. And it smells just like cake batter. So there you guys have it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini makeup tutorial. Something just very simple for work today. You know, I'm only there for about 4.5 hours. So yeah, just want to do something simple, something easy, you know, mommy on the go look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. My first makeup tutorial in a while. Comment and subscribe because I love to interact with people. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.